I still remember our first meeting was at the small cafe in Koramangala in Bangalore. He was sitting over there, and he appeared to be someone who is very workaholic. I have never seen a guy who comes on a date and is sitting with his laptop and his cell phone and is just texting and sending mails and everything.
And when you talk about feeling what I felt for her that day, let's just say that when you meet a person for the first time, you don't feel like Bollywood style movies. It does not happen like that.
But yeah, the moment we started talking, we had a very good time with each other. And the first impression which I got about him was that looks like a very charming guy, very interesting person, and a very talkative person.
But what I really felt is the fact that I knew for a fact that this would at least go for she could be a very, very good friend.
Yeah, the more talkative he was, the more we mingled with each other, and it's almost 2 years now, and here we are. So it has been a beautiful journey with him, from the first text to the first meeting.
As they say, you expect something but something else happens, and in our case, what happened is something much more beautiful than the first time we met.
And finally up to here, to marriage. It's been a long journey, and I'm looking forward to it. So it was wonderful, the first meeting, and I hope that I have such nice moments with him for the life.
Welcome to the family, Priyanka.
Hope to meet both of you soon. Bye.
To me, Rohit just means peace. Whenever I see him and whenever I meet him or whenever I am with him, he gives me that vibe that I'm there with you. I will be there always with you. Don't worry.
Priyanka is a very lovely, ambitious, energetic girl who has gone through a lot of obstacles in life and who is starting a new chapter now. And let me tell you one thing, Priyanka Vyas, the story has just begun.
No, I could write 1,000 stories of all the times I fell for you.
So I'm very excited because I don't have daughters, and I welcome wholeheartedly to her, to our house, and I love her very much. We have clicked instantaneously, so she's not a new member to our house. Previously, she used to come quite off and on, and we are very comfortable with her. I think she is also very comfortable with us.
That Priyanka, with whom we have interacted now for about 7-8 months, is a very good and a charming girl, and we are sure that we will be very happy with her after the marriage and when she comes with us tomorrow to Bangalore.
very supportive, very caring. The entire journey from being someone whom you are dating to being in a relationship to being a boyfriend, he has been fantastic all throughout. He has been an amazing fiance. We had initial plans of spending a lot of time together when our engagement got fixed, but thanks to COVID, we moved to a long distance relationship, one being in Bangalore and one being in Bilaspur. But kudos to him that he managed it. He managed in my entire frustration, our fights.
ये जो बात है किसी भी माँ के लिए एक बहुत ही दुखद भी होता है और सुखद भी होता है, क्योंकि मेरी बच्ची ने जो अपना लाइफ पार्टनर सेलेक्ट किया है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है। मैं जहाँ तक उसको जान रही हूँ, मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा उसको जानना नहीं हुआ है, बट जब भी मैं उससे मिली हूँ मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो मेरी बेटी के लिए परफेक्ट लाइफ पार्टनर है और उसको हमेशा खुश रखेगा, उसकी सारी ज़रूरतों को पूरा करेगा जैसा मैंने उसको आज तक रखा है। उसके पेरेंट्स भी बहुत केयरिंग है, लविंग है, तो मैं जान रही हूँ कि मेरी बेटी वहाँ खुश रहेगी। पर हाँ, ये मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही दुखद क्षण है। जिस बच्ची के साथ मैंने अपनी इतनी लंबी लाइफ स्पेंड की है कि अब वो मेरे से दूर जा रही, पर एक खुशी भी है कि उसका आगे का जो जीवन होगा वो बहुत सुखमय होगा।
The one thing about Rohit is that, you know, whenever he's around you, he will make you feel loved. He will make you feel that, you know, you are the only one in the world. He will never feel that, you know, he needs to divide that attention, something like that. So he gives you that proper attention, that proper love and care. So yeah, that's all what I can ask for, be it in a boyfriend or be it in a fiance or be it in a husband. So I'm looking forward to that same Rohit in the journey to come ahead, and I know he will be a fantastic one in that as well.
Marrying Priyanka, getting to know her, getting to meet her, getting to go on many dates in Bangalore, seeing her from what she was when I first met her and seeing her what she is now. I can only say that this whole journey of marrying her and then this whole definition of marriage is going to be a very, very exciting journey for me. And I'm super glad that I play the role of the husband in her story as well. So let's see how it goes. And maybe 20 years, 30 years, 40 years later, we'll be saying the same things about our children when they are getting.
So I'll shoot you straight. The only thing that takes my breath away